This portable charcoal barbecue set was in my Amazon wish list for long, and finally I had bought this last month. Since then, we had three delicious kebab parties at home and we completely enjoyed it. So, today's video is about reviewing this product along with unboxing some of my other recent purchases. If you have seen my previous videos, you know that last 2 weeks I was too busy crafting out Republic Day school craft videos back to back. So, in order to take a break from my crafting activities, I am here today back with my shopping haul and product review video. And yes, this is not at all a sponsored video. So, you're watching Sundays with Subhasree, and I welcome you to my channel and to this video. If you're first time here, please do consider subscribing my channel because every Sunday I upload videos on home decor, DIY, crafting, product reviews, shopping haul and lot more. So let's start today's video by unboxing this charcoal portable barbecue device which I purchased on 28th December 2022, that's last month, from Amazon. It's called Hygiene BBQ and it costed around about 1200 rupees. The package contained a steel grill plate, four metal legs, and 8 pieces of wooden handle steel skewers. The thickness of the metal used in the charcoal tray is not very thick or not very thin. I can talk about the quality only after using it once or twice. So, this is the look after assembling all the parts, and it was pretty easy to assemble. Those four legs are around 1 feet and 8 inch in height, and that's how the product is round about 2 feet in height. It's little bit lower than the height of a regular revolving computer chair, as you can see. So I don't think that standing and cooking with this will be comfortable. So we need to have a low chair to sit and cook with this barbecue set. In Amazon, this barbecue set was lowest in price but highest in positive reviews, so I had preferred to buy this. In Amazon, you may find this kind of drum shaped or briefcase shaped barbecue sets, but these were pretty low in height and the price was very high compared to the one that I have bought. These devices are very lightweighted and very easy to carry, so I have carried this to our rooftop, and this is how we have spread the charcoal. I bought the charcoal from the local market, but in Amazon also you can get this kind of charcoal and coconut shell packets. I'll try to give the Amazon product link of this charcoal packet and the barbecue set in the description box below so that you can check it from there. And that's how these charcoals are ignited and the kebabs are ready to be cooked out. So till now we have used it 3 times. Once when we initially bought it last month, that was on Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve, and we have used it last week also. Every time we have used it for around about 4 to 5 hours continuously, because we had 4 to 5 rounds of different types of kebab cooking. And after such usage, this is the condition of the charcoal barbecue set that I bought just last month. The black color coat on top of this charcoal sheet and also on the back is badly damaged, as you can see. So this black color coat on top of this device will eventually vanish with another 5 to 6 uses, but still I would recommend this product because the overall quality is pretty good, and the best part is that it cost only 1000 to 1200 rupees, and we can easily reassemble it and carry it to the picnic spot or the party venue. So I think this is the best buy if we are having frequent friends or family parties of around 10 to 15 members. Now let me share my feedback about other items which I had bought recently in last 3 months in the month of October 2022, like this plastic 4-layered slim and sleek white colored storage rack with wheels. It's 3 feet and 3 inches in height and only 12 centimeter in breadth, which makes it fit in any narrow gaps. I also purchased set of 6 pieces multicolored plastic fridge water bottle from Amazon's own brand Solimo and 6 pieces of 1 liter crystal fridge bottles from a brand name as Stovorama. And both of this set of water bottle cost around about 300 rupees. The quality of these water bottles are pretty good. They are pretty sturdy and I have no complaints at all after using for last 3 months. The purpose of buying this sleek plastic rack was to keep all my water bottles in one place, but unfortunately the new bottles which I had bought didn't fit well in this narrow rack, as you can see, because the height of each of this rack is around about 33 centimeter and the bottles are also of almost the same size. However, somehow I managed to keep all these multicolor bottles in the second rack and the crystal clear bottles on the top. As the seller has shown in the pictures in Amazon, we can keep anything in this rack in our kitchen, but my purpose was just to keep all the water bottles in one place. And the second purpose of buying this rack was to utilize this narrow gap between two of my fridges which I have in my living room. And this exactly works the way I wanted. So if you have a narrow space between two furnitures or two cabinets in your kitchen, then to utilize that space properly, you can easily buy this kind of sleek plastic racks. So I highly recommend this product, and especially the water bottles are of really good quality. And with that, this is Subhasree signing off for today. I'll come back next week with another set of crafting, DIY, home decor ideas. Till then, stay tuned to my channel, stay healthy, and have a very happy week ahead. Thank you so much. Bye bye.